here comes our crew trying to get the old single jet ski trailer back down, and we all know what kind of struggles we see when that happens down here at the boat ramp. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting Boynton Beach. This crew actually looks pretty good so far. Kind of impressive. That first when I saw him doing it, I thought they were going to struggle. Wait! I thought he looked good, but apparently they didn't like the approach, and they're going to pull back out, and man, now he's going to get out of whack. I don't know why they pulled forward. They had it pretty solid. Now I got a feeling they're going to struggle as they try and get it relined back up. He's better off just to pull all the way forward at this point, giving themselves just a fresh, clean start. And as we can see, they are struggling. I mean, his front tire is over where the dock is, so he's got to get that truck back around. And there we go. Goes ahead and pulls forward to try and give him a clean break at it. So we kind of got it rolling in the right direction now. Let's get out away from the dock a little bit. But again, the strange one to me was I thought that first lineup looked great. Now they're kind of pausing, trying to determine what to do. Taking it slow as they try and come back down. And now we're going to go ahead and get out and take a break. Right here's a good time. You could drop the tailgate, bro, and then you'd be able to actually see the jet ski. So I can't really tell what he's doing here. Is he getting a line? Looks like maybe we're releasing the rear strap that's on the ski at the moment. And it looks like he's got a bed cover, so that's not going to help a ton if he drops the tailgate. So we're going to pull that one out, and here we go. Let's try this again. So, again, looks pretty good to me at this point in time. Just a slight turn will get him straightened out. Plenty of room off the dock. He's starting to get a little out of whack here at the end. Again, I understand that it's difficult. You lose complete sight of the trailer from the side mirrors because it's so much narrower than the vehicle. And by the time you see it in the side mirrors, it's just entirely too late. So we're going to stop one more time, it looks like. So after a few minutes, our guy's taking a line from the jet ski, and he's tying it onto the dock. I'm not sure if he plans to launch and release this thing, like just back up, let it float off the trailer, and then he's going to go. But that's an awful lot of line for that method. But here we go. He's going to head back to the truck. Let's see how he decides to play it from here. But we've got another vehicle that's come down in the end time that we've been doing this. Now he's got to be a little more careful as he's kind of drifting toward that. And the same deal, now that he's tied the line on, he can't really go forward to try and correct it either. And quickly realizes, yep, he's going to have to go the other way, especially with that line now on the ski. Alright, so there we go. I mean, it's floating. He probably can get it off now. Pulls forward real quickly. Man, I am not sure. He's got to be careful with that line on the dock as well. With the line on the dock, you've left yourself no real room to work. There we go. He's going to try and get it back over a little more. So, I mean, he's got in the spot he wants. Somebody grab the line on the dock. So he's even going to start it up, which just doesn't make a ton of sense. Why did we tie the line if we're going to start it up and try and get it off like this? At that point, I just would have waited and tied the line when you got it over, because you added extra work there. Taking the line over, and then again, you limited your amount of ability to be able to move the vehicle. But there we go, they'll finally get it off. So this one's a little strange. Our guy's been sitting here on the dock for quite some time now, just holding the ski with his feet. He had a life jacket on initially when they unloaded the ski, but now he's taken it off. And he was digging through the ski looking for something. I'm wondering if they're not missing something, the key or something. As you can see here, he's still digging through looking for something. So our guy now is going to jump off. And it looks like taken over holding the ski. So I'm guessing one of the things we're missing is lines, and we don't have any of those. And yet our guy's going running back to the truck to see if he can find out whatever else it is he's missing. And the crew that's beside him literally has been on this dock for about 45 minutes now. They launched. They've just taken their sweet time trying to get out of here. Fortunately, it's not crazy busy today. But finally, it looks like they're ready to roll as well and get out there and enjoy their day out on the water. Well, it looks like our crew I just showed you, their fun day out on the water turned pretty quickly as the dock blocker caught them early. I'm not sure exactly what happened because we were facing the boat ramp. All I know is we heard a little bit of a smack, and the next thing I know, they're up against the pole back here, marking the channel, and the jet ski that's with them all of a sudden has a line attached, and he's trying to pull them out. So I'm assuming they got a little bit into the shallows there and trying to see if the jet ski can pull them off, but the boat's pretty loaded down, a lot of people on it. Let's see if you can get him to break free. He's pulling in the right direction. He's pulling toward the deeper water at least, versus just pulling forward. If you can get him to break free, then he can go forward, of course. And it looks like he's got him afloat. Now the question is he going to take the line off, or is he just going to go ahead and pull him out? And probably a good move. Just go ahead and pull them out the channel. Probably the best thing for this crew. But they're on their way out of here, and we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.